Hello students. Last class I have explained self practice 3B question number 2. That is based on arranging the ascending order or descending order of any rational number. Now next we have to go for exercise self practice 3C. In that we have to do some operation, means addition, subtraction of the given rational number, 2 rational number or 3 rational number of addition. In subtraction we have to give some 2 rational number, we have to subtract. Like that we have to do in the rational number in chapter in exercise 3C. I have taken some example based on my practices, based on the extra practice 3C. In 3C given different rational number but denominator is same, means like denominator. We have to do sum in like denominator of given rational number. Means whatever rational number is given, in that case all denominator are same. Just you see here 4 here also 4 also, 14 here also minus. Sign sometimes sign will change, but sign we can manage with some process. I will explain some process. So just I will explain one by one. Just go through and carefully. Just you see here 3 upon 4 plus, here sign is given plus and minus 3 1 upon 4, means this is positive rational number and this one is negative rational number. So we have to do some process. Two sign will not come at same place, So what we do here, already you know plus and minus in integer, you know minus will come. Already this type of symbol is came, this type of sign is came in integer chapter also. So just you remember that sign convention, that sign rule regulation. Then you can use here also. Same process we have to explain. No. So 3 upon 4 is given. So plus and minus, then it will come minus 1 upon 4. Okay. Just you take here both has same denominator. There will be no need to take any LCM of this. So 4 and 4 is there. So just you subtract directly. So 3 numerator to numerator only subtract. Sometimes children will do numerator and numerator subtraction also, and denominator subtraction also. So there is a concept not is clear. That's why here in fraction part denominator we are just making same and taking LCM. But here already same is given, there will be no need to take any LCM. Directly we have to subtract only numerator, means 3 minus 1 will come. So 3 minus 1, just you write down like this. There you will not take any confusion. So 3 minus 1, 2 upon 4 will come. Now if it is there any cancellation between numerator and denominator, you can cancel it also. So 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. So final answer is 1 upon. So simplification of this means sum of this is 1 upon. Okay. Next we have to apply here also. In here minus sign is given in denominator. So no tension, just take this minus again here. Again it will come minus 1. Okay. Because plus and minus will come. So 9 upon 14 minus 13 upon 14. Again numerator is same. So just you take here, there will be no need to take LCM. 14 will come 9 minus 13. Just write down like this. 9 minus 14. Now we need to be careful because 13 is greater, minus sign is greater. So we will subtract again here. 9 minus 13 we will subtract, but it will come in minus answer. So 9 minus 13 is 4. So minus 4 will come because here negative sign is more. That's why sign will come for negative only. So we can cancel out by 2 here also. 2 2 is 4 and 7 2 is 14. So final answer is minus 2 upon 7. Okay. Like that we have to do next one also. Here mixed fraction is given. 1 is given. We have to remove this mixed fraction. Then we have to solve. Okay. 5 over 5, 5 over 5 5 plus 7, 12 upon 5 will come. Again just you see here plus and minus is there, so minus 11 upon 5 will come. Now we have to convert to 5, so 12 minus 11, 12 minus 11, 1 upon 5 will come. So answer is 1 upon 5. Next, 3 rational number is given. All 3 are negative rational number, but here numerator has negative and second one has denominator negative and third one has again numerator negative. So first of all we have to arrange the sign of, then we have to simplify. Minus 3 upon 8, this plus minus again here minus will come. So 3 upon minus 3 upon 8, again this plus minus will come minus 3 upon 8. Next, here also just you see here denominator is same, so no need to take any LCM. So 8 will come again minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, each has minus sign. So in integer already you know minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, what will come? You have to add, but it should be negative. Okay, so minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 9 will come. You will add 3, 3, 3, 3 times, then 9 will come. So minus 9 upon 8. So this is the final answer. If you want, you can convert into mixed fraction also. If numerator is greater than denominator, you can convert into mixed fraction. So it will come, if you will divide 8 to 9, then 1 ja 8, 1. So 1 minus 1, 1 upon 8. So this is the final answer. Next one, here also 3 is given, 3 rational number. First of all, here mixed fraction is given, you have to convert it to improper fraction. So 17 upon minus 35. So this minus will go upper. First you multiply by minus 1 here also, minus 1 here also. Then minus 17 upon 35 will come, because this minus minus will get plus. Okay. Now 7 upon 35 and then mixed fraction 35 and 35 plus 7, 42 upon 35. Next. Now LCM, there is no need to take LCM. 35 is there. So minus 17 plus 7 plus 42. Now you add 42 plus 7. Here just you take as see here 2 positive and 1 negative here. So this positive will add both. So 42 plus 7, 49 will come. So just write down here minus 17 plus 49 upon 35. Now here minus 17 plus 49 is given. So sometimes here indirectly some students will do addition, then it will come very wrong answer. Because here minus sign is given, so you have to subtract. Minus means 49 minus 17. If you want to write minus 17 plus 49 as well, like this, 49 minus 17, this statement is also correct. Means you have to subtract 49 minus 17, what will come? 32 upon 35. Okay, so this is the final answer. Next one, second, here both numerator and denominator has negative. So here you can multiply here minus 1 here also and minus 1 here also. So 2 upon 7 will come and 3 upon 7. Because both have negative, I have multiplied by minus 4th place, numerator and denominator. Then minus minus will get plus here also and here also. So now denominator is 7. So 7 will come and 2 plus 3 will come. So 2 plus 3, 5 upon 7. So this is the final answer of the last one. Directly like that you have to do in the question number first, exercise 3C. That's all.